Hi everybody, welcome to Leaders 722. Sorry I didn't have a computer last week with a video camera that was working, but I'm in my office today. I have my uniform on because cadets are on campus, so I get to send a video this week. So I usually try to send a video every week to go over the assignments for that week and the topics. So starting into Module 2, going to be looking at trait and behavior leadership theories. So basically, as we move through the course, we're going to take a different category of research on leadership, theory on leadership behavior. I also wanted to tell you that the Nordhaus book that is assigned for this course is foundational. So if you anticipate taking other leadership courses in the master's program or the certificate, are you going to use these courses as electives? I would suggest you hold on to that book because it has all the basic theories. So that's what this course is doing, is introducing you to the basic theories. This week you're also going to do your first matrix assignment, so I'll talk more about that. Okay, so you had some reading to do in the Nordhaus book about the two different categories of leadership theories. Then you're going to have a discussion board. So see the note here, you must post before seeing replies. Let's see, if you want to see the rubric for grading, see these three dots here, show the rubric. So it doesn't just automatically pop up like it does for the written assignments, but there's how you see the rubric. So here are the questions. Okay, we went to the video. You've got some basic questions. Trying to apply the theories that assigned for this week are assigned to this specific leader and leadership approach. In general, leadership, the initial posts are due on Wednesday, and you should reply to 2 others by Sunday at midnight. Canvas only lets us set up one date or one time for an assignment to be due, so target a post by Wednesday at midnight so that people have time to respond. And then be sure when you are responding to others that you're trying to create a discussion. So part of the requirement for federal financial aid for an online course is that there be some interaction between students as well as interaction between the professor and the students. So discussion boards are a part of all of our online classes in our program and at the Citadel. So here's the matrix assignment. So here's the reading that you already did. Here's the matrix template. So I can open one up for you. You've got an example. So this is an example looking at the path goal theory. Who are the researchers? Who's published in this area? What's a summary of the theory? What are the strengths and what are the weaknesses? So really we're presenting all the different theories and approaches so that you have more tools for your leadership toolkit. So not saying that any one theory is always right or always wrong or appropriate in every situation, but hopefully we'll give you some ideas about how to lead effectively in a situation. The second column all the way through the matrix is examples that you have seen. So where have you seen components of this specific theory applied, or where have you experienced it? And then the last column is you applying. Where do you think you might use this specific leadership approach in your life moving forward, whether it's at your job or some aspect of your life? And then so what you'll do as you move through the class is that you will, build on this matrix and just keep updating the file and submitting it, and then I'll only look at what was assigned for that week. So I'm going to put this down. Let's see, go back to here. Okay, so again, that's a summary, and here we have the rubric. So that's what we have for this week. Please let me know if you have any questions about anything from last week or the class in general. Please know that you must submit an assignment within the first 2 weeks of class to be considered as participating. Again, for federal financial aid, we have to report and drop anyone who has not participated, which we define as submitting an assignment within the first 2 weeks of class. So, have a good week.